For your information, till now, we have seen since our first case on 30th January 2020, we have had 2 crore 89 lakh 9,975 cases in the country, and out of this 2 crore 71 lakh 59,180 patients have recovered and gone back home. As on today, we have 14 lakh 1,609 active cases in the country, and you will recall that in the recent past only a couple of weeks back, we had over 37 lakh active cases in the country. Our recovery rate is continuously climbing up, and it is right now 93.94%. In the last 24 hours, we have had the least number of cases in the last 61 days, and this number is just a little more than a lakh of cases, 1 lakh 636 cases. In the last 24 hours, 1,74,399 cases have recovered in the country, and our fatality rate is 1.20%. Till today morning, our data informs us that 23 crore 27 lakh 86,482 doses have been administered to various category of people in the country. And to be very specific, between 18 to 44 years of age, we have given the first dose to 2 crore 86 lakh 18,514 young people, and the second dose also to 1 crore 68 lakh 302 people. And as on today morning, 1 crore 43 lakh 1,409 doses are still available with the states. Above 60 years, the first dose has been received by 6 crore 6 lakh 75,796 people, and between 45 and 59, 7 crore 10 lakh 44,966 people have already received the first dose. Till now, the country has had over 36 crore 64 lakh 41,742 tests. Total cumulative, that's the number of tests that have been done by the country. And as I have been saying, that in spite of a Sunday, yesterday also we did over 15 lakh 87,589 tests in the country. Our lab number has gone further up since our last meeting, and today it is 2,624. The daily positivity rate is also continuously declining, and it is 6.34%, and this is less than 10% for the 25th consecutive day. Still, there are 15 states where the positivity rate is greater than 10%, and our weekly positivity rate is 6.21%. In the second wave, we can see that there is a continuously the number of daily cases is subsiding, that's declining also, and it remains lesser than the number of daily recoveries. From 12th May, daily new cases are on the decline continuously, and since 14th May, our recovered cases are more than the new cases. 83% of our active cases are in 10 states, and the remaining 17% are in 26 states and UTs. 7 states, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand, they have less than 1000 cases. 5 states, Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, UP, they have less than 2000 cases. And even the most affected states like Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, there also we can see that there is a decline in the number of cases at a significant rate. Growth rate from 5th of May, it was 14.7%, and today it is 3.48%. Then I would like to update you about a little bit about the INSACOG sequencing labs. We all know that these RNA viruses, they have a potential for frequent mutations, and some of these mutations can adversely affect disease transmission as also the severity. So you will recall that we had established 10 national labs for the INSACOG, this sequencing facility. Now, till now we have done some 30,000 sequencing, and recently we have added 18 more new labs to this national consortium. So now we have a total of 28 labs doing this genome sequencing. Finally, a bit about mucormycosis, which is something which has been in the discussion for quite some time now. On the special dashboard that we had created last time, I had apprised about this to the GOM. We have from 28 states some 28,252 cases till now, and out of this 86%, that is 24,370 cases, are having a history of COVID. 62.3% cases, that's about 17,601, are having history of diabetes. We have the maximum number of cases from Maharashtra, this is about 6,329, followed by Gujarat 5,486, and then of course MP, UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, Karnataka, Delhi and Andhra Pradesh.